First time when I had to go to a major hospital to see one of my junior colleagues, what we realized was at the age of rather very young age of 30 odd, the person had suffered a small stroke.
In today's world, almost 50% of the people have either high blood pressure, diabetes, osteoarthritis of knee joint, slip disc, cervical spondylitis, frozen shoulder, obesity, high cholesterol. And it's high time we fight against it.
Once you are physically fit, you are mentally fit.
There are three H's in this world. It's a hand, head, and your heart. If your head stays cool, your heart stays warm. If your heart stays warm, maximum circulation to the hands, so you get maximum out of your hands.
The first thing is we all feel that exercising is pretty boring, but on the other hand, playing games is fun. The second thing is about doing things alone versus doing things together. Third thing is competition. I think competing with self is an ideal format, but if you compete with the others, it's very exhilarating.
After this program, they should not feel only fit for this competition. They should feel no, they are much fitter to improve in their companies. They are much fitter by mind as well.
A leader sets the example by setting himself as a role model, and therefore when a CEO takes it up seriously and visibly displays his commitment towards health and fitness, I am sure it will motivate all the young executives who take him as a role model.
Fit body has a fit mind.
This is going to help people move away from just doing their stuff, going to office, living a 9 to 5 life, having a highly stressed life, into something which is going to inject in them a sense of far more purpose, enjoyment, and finally leading to increasing productivity and a happier, healthier life. About it, I personally feel I need to invest myself in terms of not only getting myself to be fit, but passing on the message of fitness.
If it is implemented precisely, I think this is going to make a big change in the mindset of the people.
I'm looking forward, I'm very excited.
I think it's a very brilliant initiative, and I'm sure corporates would wholeheartedly welcome it.
These are our leaders who can lead our corporates, who can lead our country as well.
We are starting with Fitter India, then going for Fitter Asia and Fitter Universe. So let's start.